Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be reviewing this kind of cutlery and large utensil sort of holder, especially when you're cooking. Now, you know that when you're cooking and you've got your pan open and you're using your spoon to stir, it's actually really annoying that you need to pull it on the side like that and have everything dripping down onto the surface. You don't really want to get a plate out or a bowl because that's quite big and quite awkward, and then it's just another dish that you need to clean over and over. Ultimately, you just need something that's going to hold the utensil upwards a little bit so it just doesn't drip, and a lot of the time it might not even go onto this either. So just wanted to show you, it's plastic, quite hollow, very light. I would like a little bit more of a grip here, but what you're going to do, okay? So I'm going to show you how we use this, and just so you can have a good little look. So I'm just going to turn it like this. You've got a rigid area right here. And what you're going to do is when you want to just finish cooking or what's not, pull it in like that, okay? And then put another thing in like that, and a knife, and a knife in like that. Now, super simple. If we turn this around, put the knife back in, okay, you can see this is how it looks, and just nice and clean, really. You can just leave that right next to your stove, no issues at all. Yeah, it just works. So, would I recommend this? Yeah, I think I would.